Good morning, good morning, good morning, everyone. This is your AI acronym individual. And our avid for today, or a verse a day, is from Psalm chapter 18, verse 2. This is my favorite verse in the Bible. The Lord is my rock, my fortress, and my deliverer. My God is my rock, in whom I take refuge. So the reflection is from Leslie Ko, and the title is Live It with God. Perched high on the climbing wall, Sarah could feel panic rising as her weakening fingers began losing grip on the handholds. Just how hard will I hit the ground? She wondered. But the instructor kept calling out assurances from below. As the belayer tethered to the other end of the rope tied to Sarah's harness through a pulley, his weight would hold her if she fell. I'm much heavier than you, he yelled. Just let go. So she did and simply swung away from the wall to dangle safely in the air. The incident gave Sarah a new perspective of the picture of God in Psalm chapter 18, verse 2. The Lord is my rock, my fortress, and my deliverer. My God is my rock, my stronghold, Sarah observed. God is so much heavier than all my problems. I can let go of my worries and fears, and He'll catch me. King David sang the words of Psalm chapter 18 after God rescued him from deep waters. These were his powerful enemies looking to bring about his day of disaster. Even if his troubles didn't disappear, he knew he could trust his all powerful Savior and that God was holding on to him tightly. What does it mean in practical terms to let go of a worry and leave it with God? How can you learn to surrender your fears to Him? Dear Father, thank you that I can let go of all my worries, fears, and anxieties, knowing that you're in a complete control of my life and will keep me from falling. To God be the glory. This is my favorite verse in the Bible because when I was betrayed, when I was alone by myself, God knows my depression, my stress, my worries, my problems. But when I surrendered everything to Him and trust in Him that He will take good care of me, that take in charge of all my stress and my worries and my problems, then everything went well. I was able to forgive those person who hurt me most, especially the person that left me, na alam mong siya dapat ang kasama mo sa lahat ng problema. But then, isinurrender ko lahat sa Panginoon. To God be the glory. This is your AI acronym individual.